Being an independent DIY musician is really not an easy road. And all I want to do is play music, and I love what I do. QuickBooks and Intuit Intelligence really help me save time and gives me confidence to know that they have my back and I could just sit down and play my guitar for my audience. What I like about Intuit Intelligence is I have to get this right because otherwise I won't be able to stay in business. I need to make sure I'm profitable all the time. Since I've been using QuickBooks, my revenue's gotten a lot better, actually. So one thing that Intuit Intelligence showed me was that my website was not making enough money on selling my merch, because in person I sell a lot. I sell about 500% more at least. I'm serious, so much more. But online, that's where I need to make money. So it recommended placing ads and also doing sales on social media, for example. Intuit Intelligence really helped me with that. The other day when I went to do my books, I think I did something wrong. I made a mistake. So I said, man, I better call up my Intuit expert. So I called them up and I said, how do I fix this? And that's when it's really helpful to have a human help you, because I'm a human and I don't even know what I'm doing sometimes. And they help me get out of that bind and fix it all up. So when it's tax time, the Intuit expert really helps me stay compliant. What I like about Intuit AI, it helps me categorize all my business deductions and see the deductions I can actually use. Intuit Intelligence and the Intuit expert work as a team that checks each other. So when I go to AI and I think, well, maybe that's not quite exactly what I want, I can call up an Intuit expert and they could say, well, you know what? Change your books a little bit like this to make it more accurate. And this is correct now. It puts a check on the AI. I see all the big picture when I'm using Intuit AI, and my Intuit experts really help me to see the bottom line of what I'm actually doing as a musician. It really helps me save time so I can actually create my art for my audience and do what I love for a living.